Can you see that fruit there? There? Some people call it sweetie cup. Some people call it passion fruit. There it is again. This is where the root is. The root is here. And this tree goes all the way up into the other trees. It's very, very big, this tree. All coming from that root. I planted it from a seed about maybe 5-6 years ago. And it's very nice with drinks. Yeah. And if you leave it until it's big, like this one, and it's yellow, it gives you a very fruity taste. Very, very nice. Passion fruit.